Good evening, Team 6-1 math students. Tonight I'm going to show you how to navigate a site that will help you practice adding, subtracting, and multiplying, as well as dividing decimals. There's a link in your Google Classroom. So once you go to your Google Classroom, you want to look in the stream. And here you can see decimal times. Practice adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing decimals. Go ahead and click on the link. Once you are in decimal times, you can go ahead and get started. You will notice that there are different levels, level 1 through level 7. You might want to start off with level 1, see how you do, and then as you work through the levels, you can advance. Let's go ahead and try level 1 together. So here I have 2 times 3/10, 3 times 4/10. And you just type in your answers as you go. Make sure that you put a 0 in the ones place. If you don't, it will mark it incorrect. Whoops. Okay, now once you have all of your answers in, you can go ahead and hit the check button. Uh-oh, I have 4 wrong. Well, actually, what happens is if you put a 0 after the decimal, doesn't need to be there, it will check it incorrect. So I am going to go ahead and remove the 0. Here as well, I have 0.20. Well, that would be the same as 0.2 or 2/10. Same thing happened here. So I've got 0.40. So I want to go ahead and remove that 0. And then over here, this one is incorrect. So let's go ahead and fix that. We have 2 decimal places here. There should be 2 in our answer. So the correct answer would be 0.15 or 1500ths. And then I want to make sure that I put the 0 in my ones place. All right, let's check it again. And now they're all correct. So it does say claim your trophy for 12 out of 12. Do not click on that. That will ask you to sign up with an email address, and we do not want you to sign up and put your email address in here. All right, let's go down. Now we can go ahead and try level 2. So you can see that when you then click on level 2, the problems become a little bit more challenging, more digits in the problems. There's less problems to solve. So after you solve this next level, you can move up the levels. You can also, if you take a look down here, it says there is also an exercise on addition and subtraction of decimals called Decimal Plus. So you could click on that, and then you can practice adding and subtracting your decimals. Again, they have levels 1, 2, and 3 for addition and subtraction. You can also click on this tab here and look at more decimal activities. There's also a help tab. Just remember that once you complete a level and it says to click here for your trophy, do not do that. That's just going to ask you to sign up and put in an email address, and we don't want you to do that. So again, decimals plus, decimal times. This website will help you just practice that mental math with your decimals. So tomorrow in class, we are going to use this as our warm-up. If you want to try it tonight, go ahead. You can go ahead and click the link in your Google Classroom. Have a good night.